Okay, let's try some simple blues riffs, some simple little doodad that you can show off, even if you're a beginner. Let's try this one. So that's the B string and the G string on the 3rd and 4th frets. Take a look. Let's try this one. Try this one. Third fret, 2nd string. 3rd string, 4th fret. So that's the B string and the G string on the 3rd and 4th frets. Take a look. Slide up to it. Then hit the E string. This is an A chord. That's an open A chord on the 2nd fret. It's the D string, the G string, and the B string. 2nd fret, 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string. E7th. That's an open E7th chord. 2nd fret, you've got the A string, 1st fret, the G string. E7th is here and here. 2nd fret, 2nd string there. 3rd, 4th string, 1st fret. Two, actually 3 frets. 1, 2, 3 to the 4th fret. Okay, I'm leading up to an open B7th chord. You can see there where the number 2 is. That is going to be your middle finger on the A string. Okay, you see how you're making a little triangle? Then the 1st fret, you're going to use your index finger on the D string, and then your 3rd finger, the ring finger, will be on the G string on the 2nd fret. Makes a little triangle pointing at the headstock. train whistle. 3, 5, 7th fret, 3rd dot. 7th fret, and then the next string, 8th fret. You want to bend this one up a little bit, this 2nd string. And then you hit this E string with those two, and you get the train whistle. Here too. Okay, here's how you do the train whistle. The B string is going to be on the 8th fret, and the high E string is going to be on the 7th fret. You're also going to want to do a very subtle bend on that B string on the 8th fret. While leaving the E string alone, you're going to bend a little bit on that B string. If you notice, on the low E string, I'm playing that low E note, kind of just pumping it as I go along just to keep my beat. That's a very typical kind of a blues type of thing. Just every once in a while hit that low E string just to kind of keep your beat, and it becomes kind of syncopated. You put it up on the 9s here too. B7th, B7th, B note, 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd fret, E string, 2nd fret.